So I thought I was recording this whole time, but I hopped in a NAS trade, you guys. I missed the volatility. I'm trying to catch it by the volatility, and apparently that was like 3 hours ago. We know now. I thought I was ahead of New York, but now I'm an hour behind New York, so that's an adjustment for me. We know for next time. Everything is a learning experience. I hopped in this trade because I'm trying to target this fair value gap high. This right here, this high. I know my chart is a little jumbled, but we took the lows of this fair value gap, this big old fair value gap. We took the low. Now I think we want to sweep this high to maybe continue lower. That is basically the gist of it. I'm not gonna try to go too high. I wanted to wait for a 1 to 2, but I'm just gonna let it sweep this high and then I'm gonna get out. And that's the plan for today. This weekend, after my whole tip episode, or last weekend, I cramped. I re-looked at my strategy, looked at all my mentor videos, made notes. I got so many notes. I didn't know my strategy was that intricate, so that's why I wasn't really confident most of the time, because I didn't really understand my strategy. But now I really understand my strategy. These next couple of months are just going to be me going ham on the strategy, learning. So if I miss, those are going to be learning opportunities, and if I win, I'm gonna be happy. But right now I feel like I'm back in the learning phase. We're gonna see how this do. I don't have too much expectations on it, and I'm not gonna risk as much. Like right now my heart not even beating too fast because I'm not really risking a lot on it. I missed that. I don't know why I thought I could just risk so much. I don't know why I thought that. I barely even understood my strategy, but it's going to be a waiting game, looks like, especially since I didn't catch it at a volatile hour. Let's get it. I see this area right here. This is a intermediate turn high. So if it comes to this area and I see some resistance, I may get out right here, because this could also be a point where it wants to turn around. I just want to be safe. But we pushing up nicely, but we've been pushing up for a while, as you can see, so that's why I'm a little weary. But we gonna stay strong, hold fast. All right, so it swept this high. Now we gonna see if it want to continue higher or if it's trying to turn all the way back around. If it continue higher, that's super extra confirmation, and I think I move my stops to break even if it push past this high. Close above this high. But the trade look good, y'all. Look at this. Ooh. If I could have had a smaller stop loss, I probably would have been, out by now. But we look forward, not behind. See what the volatility looking like. Okay. At 12, it's supposed to be some good volatility. I may hold it until the end then. There is a chance that it can come all the way down to right here, sweep this low, and then come all the way back up. Now we at the area that I'm nervous about. Let's see what it do. Come on, baby. You know you want to. So I can get rid of this level. Okay. Come on, baby. Push. Yes, sir. Okay. That was a good sweep. Now let's see what it do. See where it closed at. Alright, y'all. I think I'm gonna go ahead and hop out. Oh my gosh, I should have been hopped out. Look at that. Hey. I should have been hopped out when I first thought about it. Okay, well, I be thinking too long. I think I'm gonna go ahead and hop out though, y'all, because it's a good beginning of the week. I know it's gonna come back up, but it's playing with me. Let's see. Okay, think I'm gonna get out. What did it even do just then? Let's see. What time is it? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get out right here. I don't like this price action. Yeah, I'm gonna get what I can. Click. Okay, so we got 140. You know, probably should have waited.
Yes.
But like I said, we starting the week with a new mindset. This is my learning stage. I'm relearning my strategy, so I'm cool with a cool 140 for the week. We just gonna build. By the time I'm done editing this video, I think I'll show the results of the trade. I'm finna journal this trade real quick. I need to journal it and close the freaking page so I don't keep looking at it. First NAS win in a while. I'm gonna say this was structure. Small explanation. Let's see. Okay, and I got out early and then post the link. Another day, another dollar. We're trying to grind and get all our money back. This is what we looking like. Oh my gosh, look at that. That was plus 700. It's okay though, it's okay. This is a new week. Last week behind us. This is a new week. Catch y'all next time. Thank y'all for watching this video.